Hello everyone, I am Fatma Shehzad. I am graphic designer with over the 12 years of experience. In my graphic designing course, you will master like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Infinity, Infinity Designer and Canva. Learn essential skills like logo design, vector tracing and types of photography. Dive into advanced features like 3D tools and explore the new trends of design. Whether you are beginner or aiming to enhance your expertise, this course will help you to explore the stunning design with confidence. My name is Fatma Shehzad. I live with LiveX.